Now, while we are at line limit, let's go ahead and take a look at another related property to the line limit, which one is called the ellipse location. So basically, what we are seeing here is your ellipses, whenever the text is truncated, is shown at the end. Okay, so you want to control where this ellipsis is shown. That's actually controlled by something called a truncation mode. Where do you want your text to be truncated? Okay, so you can apply a modifier called truncation mode. Okay, and this truncation mode comes in 3 different flavors. So it's actually middle, head, and tail of the line itself. Okay, so in this case, because this text is 2 line, all these things are going to be applied on the second line. Okay, so I'm going to say head, and it's basically TypeTechie creates blah 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 blah, learn better and retain better. Okay, so all the text in the middle is basically gobbled up by these 3 ellipses. All right, now to visualize this better, I'm going to change this line limit to be 1. Okay, so now your truncation mode is head. That means this is there's some content here, it ends with these words. Okay, you can change that truncation mode to have tail, which is the default value. It says TypeTechie creates video tuts and video tut, and then it goes beyond. When user taps on it, it will see more detail. You can actually display that however you want to, but the main thing is your text, which is larger than the screen size, is getting truncated, and is getting truncated from the tail end. You can change that to be middle. Okay, the middle one is basically, like I said, it actually computes the middle of the sentence of the line and actually truncates everything in the middle. So you see the beginning, you see the end, and you have some ellipse in the middle. Okay, so that's another another option that you have for truncation mode that's available for you. All right, so you can control the truncation mode depending upon your content's need, what fits your value, but you can control the location of ellipse by using this truncation mode modifier. All right, so that was truncation mode. Let's hop on to the next video to see another text modifier.